This is Sandra Edmond, Queen of Tax Deeds, with your Tip Tuesday. Ah, look at that. How ironic. My twin is ahead of me here. I'm pulling into a parking spot here at Costco. And the same exact car parked across from me. Except for theirs is black. And mine is white. Okay, so hello everybody. It is like about 11:40 and it feels as if I'm starting my day late, but I actually started it really early. I got up at around 5:30. Well, I woke up at around 5:30 and I got out of bed probably around 6:05. And soon as the sun peeked its little head out and there was some light out, I went bike riding. And on my bike ride, my tire just like blew. Right when I got to the point where I was supposed to turn around, it just like blew. So thanks to Good Samaritan, 2 of them, they helped me to change the inner tube. Thank goodness I had all the tools. I had the inner tube. I had the pump to change it. I had a spare inner tube. So just like in life, in real estate, we got to be prepared because we never know what's going to happen. Another reason why I was running late today, my blood pressure was running a little high this morning. So I just kind of laid back on my recliner at home and chilled for about 30-45 minutes, giving it time to go down after taking my medication. Always got to put our health first. But that's not my Tip Tuesday. I wanted to give you another tip. So look at that. That was a bonus tip. The other tip is that I'm going to start walking in the store because I got a ton of stuff to do. And yesterday was Money Monday and I did not do any money related stuff like paying bills and making sure stuff is paid and reconciling accounts and things like that. Let me think. What am I going in here for? For lotion. Going in the store in Costco on a Tuesday to get lotion. Why? I started to get it at Walgreens and then I looked at the price and I said, what? At Costco, I can get 2 big 20-ounce bottles instead of 2 12-ounce bottles for the same price. Okay, so anyway, hopefully you're able to hear me. The Tip Tuesday I wanted to discuss today as I walk into Costco, just trying to multitask here, is that as investors, we need to have empathy because a lot of people that are losing their homes or behind on their taxes really are struggling in a really, really bad position. I just had the 2-day field trip last week, and one of the benefits of having smaller classes in our little courtyard classroom because of COVID, we're having the classrooms outside in the courtyard, is that we now have a manageable group because it's a smaller class. Look at this. All the shopping carts are like gone. Look at that. Well, you have to go down into the bay to get them. Usually it's full. What are all these people doing out today? Aren't they supposed to be at work? Probably the same thing I'm doing here. But anyway, let me go over here so people don't look at me like I'm crazy talking into the phone like this. But one of the benefits of having the smaller classes is that we get to walk around and actually go and knock on doors and talk to people. And so one of the people that we were talking to, well, we only talked to one person after the auction, but one of the people that we talked to, I'm looking at my feet, I have no lotion on. That's why I'm in here right now to get lotion. I'm completely out of lotion. So I do have lotion at the office. And if I dug around, I could probably find some travel lotion, but I didn't feel like doing all that. I just need to replace my lotion. But anyway, we need to have empathy. One of the gentlemen that we went to go see, he had actually paid the taxes for the property and the property had been redeemed. Redeemed means the person paid the taxes and it's not going to go to sale that day. So we went to the auction. His property was not auctioned off because he paid the taxes. So later we went over by his house. And this poor guy, he's on a walker. It took him like 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes to walk down the driveway. So I kind of asked him what his situation was and what was going on. He's disabled. He was actually in the hospital when they came and knocked on the door to put the notice for the tax deed sale. And he's kind of living in a house that his girlfriend inherited. that the person who passed away, their name is still on the house. So he's got issues with his disability benefits, and he basically had to scrape everything that he had to get that tax money together to pay the taxes. With COVID, he lost his job, so it was really difficult for him. So just keep in mind that there are actually people out there that are losing while you're actually getting a good investment, and you're possibly going to be making, a ton of money. Just know someone else's life is changing and they might be losing something. So be cognizant of that. So I did have a resource that I was able to give him. He saved the house, so he's not going to lose it, but he needed information. He told me that his disability was denied, but he's going to go ahead and apply again. So I told him, well, I know a great attorney that does the disability stuff. He actually shares an office with a real estate attorney who is actually one of my past students. And so I passed along that information and made that connection for him so that they can help him to get the help that he needs. In life, the more you help people, the more good things come back to you. As investors, we always have to be cognizant of that and aware, and try to help people as much as we can. And then that way, they may try to help you. At some point, he probably will want to sell that house, or his girlfriend will. And I passed along my information, and I'm going to stay in contact with them to see when they're interested in selling the property. Either if they don't want to sell it as is for a cash price, then I can always put on my real estate agent hat. I'm a real estate broker, and I can list the property for them. So a lot of different opportunities there as well. But anyway, let me go ahead and go inside Costco because it is hot. I am in Orlando, Florida, and it is almost noon, so it's about to be hot out here and humid. So I got the lotion, and of course you can't go to Costco and not get more than what you came in there for. So I got some fish oil that I also needed. Now I'm headed to go make some money. All right, you guys, I don't know if this thing's recording. Looks like it is now. Anyway, I said there was my twin parked right in front of me. There it is. A black one and I'm a white one. White car. Not a white one. But anyway, okay, back in the car. I got my lotion and some fish oil and some water because it is hot as I don't know what. I have a little bit of ice left over from when I was working out this morning. I also wanted to remind you guys, I forgot, or at least tell you, that I'm teaching a class on at CFRI.net. If you go to CFRI.net, it is the local real estate investor association here in Orlando. So I will be teaching a class there. It's a 7-hour all-day class teaching you all about tax deeds and tax liens. So be sure to check out that class if you're interested in learning more about investing in tax deeds and tax liens. Happy investing.